Hello guys, good evening and welcome back. Alright, so in today's video I want us to discuss some important points regarding to content creation. Now I have met several people asking me how best they can grow as a content creator. Now one of the first things you need to know is that you should not make content creation your first job. That's what do I mean? It simply means that you should have another source of income. Now, the reason for this is to make sure you don't feel desperate, you don't feel overwhelmed, you are not in a haste to start making money. You should actually have another source of income whereby you use to sponsor or finance your content creation. Because in the quest of being a content creator, you are meant to, buy data, you are meant to, do a lot of things, phone maintenance, even fund the content creation process, like buying fuel, buying mic, buying tripod. All these things needs finance. So it simply means that you should not be having a content creation as the only source of income, at least for the beginners level. So you should try to find something that gives you money that will help you grow as a content creator. Now, the number two thing here is that you must have a page. Now, don't bother yourself by using Facebook professional mode. Now, currently, you must have a page. Now, that page you will have will help you to, advance in your content creation game by simply um, using your profile to share whatever video you have uploaded on your page to your profile, right? Don't waste your time to use your professional mode. Most people have converted their profile to pages that they call the professional mode, but then it is not yet official that such accounts will be monetized. So, in order for you not to waste your time on the long run, just create a page and start uploading. Now, that's the number 2 points I am making here. The number 3 points here is that you must be um, patient with your growth. You must be patient with your growth. And one of the most important things here is that don't expect your family and friends to support you. Don't expect your family and friends to support you. The people that will actually watch your videos are strangers, people that don't know you from anywhere. It's rare when you to see your family and friends in supporting your dreams or your ambitions, right? So you should note that you should be able to um, scale through with or without your family and friends. It is only when you get to the limelight that they might come in and claim they know you from childhood. So don't expect your family and friends to share your videos. Don't expect them to comment. Don't expect them to do have engagement because they are yet to be sure that you know what you are doing. But when they see changes in you, they can now claim that you are their sibling or brother or relation or whatsoever. So that is that. The next thing to do here is try to be consistent. Now, being consistent simply means upload your videos 2 times daily, 3 times daily. It all depends on how you crave for it. It all depends on the kind of content you make. If you can make contents more than once a day, fine. If you make contents 2 times a day, there's still no problem. But try to have regular contents you upload. And when you upload those contents, give it time to have views. Don't just post content now and be desperate for it to have views immediately. Some contents do peak, like the views do come after 2 or 3 days. It happens even on top content creators. While you might post a video today and within 1 hour it will have thousands of views, while some will take 2 or 3 days before it could pick up, right? So I have actually posted a video on my page 6 days ago. It got 7.2k views. I posted after 7 days, new one, another video, it got 13.5k views. What took the other video 7 days plus to make, this other one got it in 24 hours. It's not as if the video is different. It's not as if there's more difference in the video. It's similar topic in regards to male fashion designing, but that second one tends to get more views. So that's the essence of posting two contents on daily. So if one did not pick, the second one must pick, right? Or post more than two if you have enough content to post. Then when you are doing this, please note one important thing as well, that you are not meant to pay anybody to help you boost your page. Please don't boost your page. Don't buy followers. Don't do follow for follow. Those things will shadow ban your page. All you need is organic followers. The worst you can do is to use hashtags. Now those hashtags will be in line with the field or the topic or the niche you are creating content on. So make sure you don't forget this point. Don't buy followers. When you buy followers, it might be fake followers, and when Facebook gets to find it, they will ban your page. And such thing comes when you don't expect. So grow your page organically. Don't buy pages. Pages are, some of them are hacked pages that their followers are not real. What is the essence of having 100k or 50k page followers and your views is not up to 10k in a week or even in 1 month? So these things are the mistakes most people will do as a content creator that is starting new. Please don't be desperate to grow, to have everything at once. It takes time to have. When you get those things by yourself, you will be more proud of yourself and be more happy that you grew from scratch. Now, lastly, when you are creating content, please avoid Facebook or YouTube music, right? It's better off you go and build your own personal music. Don't use the one suggested by Facebook or YouTube, depending on the platform you're creating content on. Rather, if you really want to have a music, go and produce your own music. There are some people that give beats. Those beats are your self-made beats that will not have a copyright. That is why the likes of Sabinos and Co do have their personal soundtrack they will produce for all their comedy content creations, all their jokes. So if you desperately need music, please produce your own and copyright it and make use of it in all your videos. Even if you're using those polyphonic sounds, those things still have, some of them do have copyrights. Though there are some websites that give free copyright songs or tunes, but then most of them might end up having copyrights in due course. So that is all for now. I wish you all the very best and pray you take your content game seriously. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.